jiu-jitsu.
What a performance. Ang ganda nung ginawa ni Lastimosa doon.
As soon as tumama at tumama yung Jonel Lastimosa, you could see and you could sense na hindi niya napakakawalan si De La Sena. Kaya,
Naging listo na agad no?
oo,
Si Jonel
ang dami ng binitawan niya that prompted the referee to stop the bout.
Well, yun yung sinasabi namin kanya ni Alvin, no? Nagda-download lang si Jonil ng info.
Actually,
At nung nagamit niya yung info na yun, he was able to capitalize. Ayan, nakita nyo naman yung gigil sa reply.
actually yung nagpabaksak kay Robel de la Serna, medyo you could say overhand, you could tell in a straight left. Depende kung how do you see that angle. Pero ako nakita ko overhand. When I see the replay, parang left straight din. So, ang pinaka-conclusion, left yung tumama.
Kaliwa, So, eto na Alvin, mukhang happy nga talaga yung Father's Day ni Coach Lastimosa, no?
Lastimosa stays undefeated and gets the title of Philippine Youth. Imagining getting a title at your 5th fight, medyo okay na rin.
Oo.
Okay na.
Tsaka hindi siya karaniwang na-achieve ng karaniwang boksingero. And I think with the Lastimosa's talent, well-deserved.
Yeah. I think
marami pang makasunod sa yapak
I
niya.
think itong batang to baka masikap din sa training, tingin ko. The way I see him. But kung ganun ka masikap, kailangan mas masikap ka kasi Philippine champion ka na, eventually you're gonna fight. Aangat ka na.
Aangat yung level of competition. Baka yung dating nadadalian ka, baka mas humihirap na.
Tsaka yung bullseye, nasa iyo na.
Oo, kasi ikaw na yung inaaral ng mga up and coming. Lalo na at the early stage of his career, on the lookout na yung mga ka-weight division niya. Ganito pala yung laro ni Lastimosa. Pero right now, again, congratulations kay Jonel Lastimosa.